It will be another busy financial week. Earnings season in full swing, of course. Investors also eyeing the July jobs report that's coming out end of the week on Friday. Joining me right now is Capital Wealth Planning Advisory Board member and Saut Strategy founder, Jeff Saut. Also joining the conversation all morning long is Fox Business's Dagan McDowell and Spotlight Asset Group Chief Investment Officer, Shana Sissel. Great to see everybody this morning. Thanks so much for being here. And I want to kick it off with you, Jeff Saut. Let me get your take on this rally this morning and where things are going as we enter second half of the year. July was a pretty good month once again, even though we did see some fractional losses for the Dow.
Well, I mean, Maria, we're in a buying stampede. And when you get into a buying stampede, you don't try and anticipate a top. You wait until you're pretty sure a top is in. You won't get the peak prices. But you're better off to wait to be sure that a top is in before you reduce some of your trading positions. So we're in a secular bull market. I've told you this ever since 2009. Secular bull markets last 15 to 20 years. We're 12 years into this one. We ought to have a number of years left.
So we've got the big story of the morning. Square is going to be acquiring Australia's big payment transaction company, Afterpay. $29 billion deal here. We've been making the point on this program that Visa has a larger market value than even the largest banks, J.P. Morgan. It's because of that transaction payment business, and now you've got this huge deal today. Your thoughts on what this tells us about where we are, whether we'll see more deals in this venue?
Yeah, I think you'll see more deals in that venue. The payment business is a great business, especially in this kind of climate when you've got a great economy, you've got rising stock prices, you've got a bunch of money flowing into the economy. So I think these deals continue to go on.
Meanwhile, the debt limit deadline expiring this past Saturday, Jeff. The U.S. debt ceiling reimposed yesterday following a 2-year suspension. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen previously said that the Fed may need to take extraordinary measures to avoid a potential default. All this as Washington is negotiating two massive bills, Jeff. More stimulus coming to this economy if they can jam these two things through by August 6th, which is the Senate recess. That's what Chuck Schumer wants. Your thoughts?
Yeah, well, I lived in D.C. for over 20 years, and it's a lot of noise that actually means nothing. I think the economy's in great shape. I think the stock market's in great shape. I think we're going substantially higher, and I don't think you need to overanalyze it any more than that.
Okay, but Jeff, let's face it, in that second massive $5.5 trillion bill, they call it $3.5 trillion, it will include heavy tax increases. You're talking about the capital gains tax potentially going to 43.4% if they get this through. Was that not a headwind for stocks, or do you think maybe they won't get it through?
I don't think they'll get it through. I think it is, if it goes through, I think it is a slight headwind for stocks. But in secular bull markets, all of that stuff is meaningless. And I mean, we're in a secular bull market, and secular bull markets tend to last 15 to 20 years.
Wow. All right. So you want to keep invested in equities. Real quick on the areas, where's the growth from your standpoint?
I like technology. I like financials. I like materials. Believe it or not, commodity index has been doing very well recently. But quite frankly, I don't think it really matters. I think all you need to know is in a secular bull market, you need to own equities.
I love it. Jeff, you are a bull, and you are not going to be convinced otherwise. I love your conviction. Good to see you this morning, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure.